Have you ever wondered how giant pigs from farms are transformed into the fresh meat we consume every day? In this video, we will take you inside a massive factory that processes hundreds of tons of pork daily. But before these giant pigs make it to your plate, we'll dive into the special farming techniques and advanced technologies used by farmers to help them grow to impressive sizes. From their early days on the farm to entering the processing plant, you'll witness a world few know about, where a combination of technology, science, and meticulous care creates these giant pigs ready to serve millions of meals worldwide. Don't miss out. This video will change the way you view the food production process we consume daily.
The farming landscape in the US is really a blend of small rural farms and large industrial operations, right? Each one has its own unique role in catering to the wide range of consumer demands we see out there. Now, when it comes to US pork farms, they're really stepping up their game by harnessing technology. This tech boost not only ramps up production efficiency but also promotes sustainability. Think about automation being used for feeding, health monitoring, and even managing waste. It's all about making things run smoother. Pig breeding plays a huge part in this process, especially when it comes to improving productivity and the quality of the meat. Yorkshire pigs, in particular, are a popular choice because of their rapid growth and resistance to diseases. It's like they're the rock stars of the pig world. Transitioning to genetic technology, farmers now have access to artificial insemination techniques that radically change the game. These advancements allow for the selection of specific traits, leading to optimal production. The result? Higher quality meat and better growth rates. What's not to love about that? But it's not just about the breeding. Adapting breed selections is key for overall farming success. Yorkshire pigs are still in the spotlight for their suitability in industrial farming, thanks to their fast growth and how well they manage against diseases. On top of that, maintaining high animal welfare standards is absolutely vital in pig farming. By keeping a close eye on the average gestation period and monitoring during farrowing, farmers ensure the safety and health of both mother pigs and their piglets. It's all about compassion. Now, let's talk about feed costs, which are a big chunk of production expenses. This really highlights why effective supply management is so important. It's all about boosting profitability for farmers in the long run. With automation stepping in, pig farming isn't just about cutting down operating costs, it's also about improving the quality of pork. This helps farms keep a solid competitive edge on the global stage. Another tech trend is the investment in biogas systems. These systems have been a game changer for farms, allowing them to produce electricity while also cutting down on waste management costs. Definitely a win-win situation. When it comes to transporting pigs, there's a lot to consider for their health and the quality of the meat. Specialized trucks are essential, ensuring that pigs travel under optimal conditions from the farms to processing plants. Humane standards come into play here too, dictating that pigs must be stunned before slaughter to prevent any pain. Plus, strict quality inspections are crucial to ensure food safety at every stage of the pork processing journey. Despite facing challenges like rising feed costs and the impacts of climate change, the US pig farming industry continues to hold its ground. This resilience is largely due to ongoing innovation and the embrace of advanced technologies that keep them competitive. Farmers are all about creating clean environments and making sure vaccinations are on point to help pigs grow healthy. This is crucial for getting those animals up to the standard weight needed for processing. At the end of the day, these practices play a key role in preventing diseases.
Now, let's talk technology.
The introduction of advanced farming tech is really stepping up production efficiency and product quality. Plus, there's a growing trend towards organic feeds and cutting back on antibiotics, making pork safer for everyone. These innovations are perfect for keeping up with the rising demands of consumers. Speaking of quality, managing the environment and treating waste properly are super important in pig farming. By adopting measures like biogas tanks for energy production, farmers are not only minimizing ecological impacts but also promoting sustainability in agriculture.
It's a win-win situation.
Moreover, technological advancements like blockchain are boosting transparency regarding the origins of pork products. This is fantastic for enhancing consumer confidence and elevating brand value. Maintaining high-quality standards is more important than ever in this industry. As we look into sustainable practices, organic farming and waste recycling are becoming key players in pig farming. These methods not only help cut down costs but also significantly lower environmental impact. It's all about that balance. Additionally, there's some exciting research happening in biotechnology for pig breeding, which is paving the way for healthier, faster-growing breeds. This progress is crucial for improving feed efficiency and boosting overall productivity in the industry. Investing in technology is essential too. It really helps in upping the quality control game and expanding market reach. By doing this, Vietnamese businesses can truly compete on the international stage. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges like diseases and climate change are lurking around, threatening the industry. Farmers need to adapt, focusing on effective disease prevention and improving farming conditions to ride out these challenges. In addition, consumer preferences are changing gears, leaning more towards clean and organic products. It's crucial for businesses to step up their production processes and diversify meat offerings to align with these evolving trends. Looking ahead, the pork processing industry is shifting gears too, moving towards producing more processed goods like frozen foods, canned meats, and pre-marinated options to meet consumer demands. It's all about catering to preferences. Finally, creating a closed supply chain that runs seamlessly from breeding to distribution is becoming essential for larger enterprises. This helps maintain product quality while optimizing production costs. Last but not least, government support through disease control programs and investments in infrastructure is absolutely vital. This support fosters the growth of organic and sustainable practices in the pig farming industry, setting the stage for a bright future. Before any pig is sent for slaughter, it goes through a thorough health inspection. This is super important because it ensures that the pigs meet all the quality standards, which ultimately promotes safety in our meat and also supports animal welfare. And here's a little detail: part of this inspection process includes giving pigs the time they need to rest. Now, when it comes to the actual slaughter, we use stunning methods like high-voltage electric stunning and CO2 gas. The goal here is clear: we want to minimize pain and stress for the pigs, making sure they are treated humanely throughout this process. Moving on to the bleeding phase, this step is crucial for maintaining meat quality. By removing the blood, we enhance freshness and extend the meat's shelf life. This all contributes to a more efficient meat processing operation. Next up is the deherring process, where we make use of hot water and automated systems to effectively strip away the hair. This ensures that the pigs are clean and ready for the next stages of processing. Of course, manual inspections are still part of the routine to guarantee quality. Evisceration is another critical stage, and it's where skilled workers step in to carefully remove the internal organs, making sure to maintain their integrity. This thorough process ensures that only the organs that pass inspection move forward. Once evisceration is done, the next step involves splitting the pig carcass. This makes it easier for inspectors to check the meat and prepare it for further processing. Every cut of meat is inspected for quality before it heads off to storage. And let's not forget about the final cleaning of the meat cuts. This stage is super important as it removes any impurities, ensuring that the meat is safe for storage. We either wash it with clean water or use sanitizing solutions to keep everything hygienic. After butchering, the meat is either vacuum sealed or tray packaged. This step is key for extending shelf life while keeping the meat fresh. Modern packaging technology plays a major role in food distribution, helping to keep everything safe. Finally, every product goes through some pretty strict quality control steps to meet food safety standards. This meticulous process is absolutely vital in ensuring that the meat reaching the consumers is safe and reliable.
So, we've explored an interesting and impressive part of the giant pork production process, from farming to processing. We hope this video has provided you with new insights and helped you understand more about the food industry we rely on daily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future exciting videos. Thank you for watching.